Hi there. Notifications are a really important part of Google Classroom because you can get an email or you can get a message on your phone or tablet when somebody updates a piece of work, hands a piece of work in, has a question about a piece of work, and it enables you to respond pretty quickly and you know what's happening with your pupils. However, sometimes if you've got a lot of classes and a lot of pupils, the notifications can be a little bit annoying. So I'm going to show you how you can manage those notifications. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change your notifications in Google Classroom. From your Google Classroom homepage, if you click on the three little lines in the top left corner and you go down to Settings, in Settings there is then a big long list of ways in which you can receive notifications. You've got your choice for emails, comments that mention you, private work comments, and you can adjust those so that you get a suitable amount of notifications. Equally, if there's some classes you don't want notifications from because maybe you're a co-teacher on a different class or something like that, you can turn off notifications for a whole class. So hopefully that will be able to manage the emails or alerts that you're getting on